Good morning, everybody. Well, thank you so much for joining. It's good to see you, Sanya. I can't. Oh, Sanaria, sorry. So for today's live, I'm going to be doing a sound bowl healing, and I'm really excited to share this with you guys. This is my sound bowl here. It's a lower chakra sound bowl, and I know that maybe some of you are new to this, are not maybe familiar with it, but vibrations, the vibrations of different sounds have a huge impact on our bodies. And there's been a lot of studies done with water in particular, and since our bodies are made over 60% of water, it goes to show like how certain vibrations can affect us, right? It can affect our bodies, it can affect our mental state and our cells. And so sound bowls have really shown to really lift up the vibrations, and they really do a lot of healing, and at a cellular level even. So I'm going to be playing this for you guys today with the intent to just heal and give you some sort of think of it as almost like a meditation, if you will, but it's going to be very directly towards you, rather than just playing a track. This is very live, and for everybody that's watching it, I'm putting all of my energy and everything to all of you in particular. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Alex. Thank you so much for joining. I'm so excited to see everybody. I can't read the text messages or the writing very well, so hello from Tahiti. How's it going, everybody? We have a few more minutes. I want to start sharp at 11, so just give some. Whoa, woo, that was a big beat. Give people some time to join, and then we'll get started. Super stoked for this. To be sharing with all of you. So I was really encouraged, and I got a message that I need to do a healing sound bowl for today. So that's what's going to be. Anyways, well, we'll get started. Okay. I don't know if you can hear the music, but I have a little bit of music playing on the background. You should be able to hear the birds though, and maybe a little bit of the wind. I apologize if there's any other noises that you hear in the background. I am outside of my home right now. So the first thing that I like to do is to really allow yourself, like any other time like that we do these sort of intentions or meditations or sort of healing, is to allow yourself to let go, right? To let go of everything that you may be holding on to, whether it's stress or anxiety or some feelings that just may not be feeling good on your chest. I really want you to focus on just letting go. I personally like to cleanse my body with sage. This is sage here. You can buy it on Amazon. And there's actually a lot of great benefits about sage, not just from a spiritual perspective, but even from a science perspective. It does actually help with the immune system. It does kill bacteria, believe it or not. Look it up. So if you were to light this in your home, it smells great, I think, and it's also really good for you. So you're not just blowing bad smoke into your home. So I do this, and I use sage for my body. This is my awesome wind resistant lighter I'm going to be using because it is very windy here today. And all I do, I just light it up a little bit. As you can see, it's already going. And then I just typically just go around me, just focus on just letting go, and ask for cleansing of energy, cleansing of my mind, of any thoughts that I might have. And I just will leave this here so it just continues to blow. I have this little bowl. And then next is Palo Santos, which this one's a little burned out. But Palo Santos also smells really good, and I use this one for like environment cleaning. So in the home or things like that, clears the energy. So you can also get it on Amazon, Palo Santos. recommend it. It smells really good. I love the way it smells. It reminds me a lot of my grandmother. So like I said, typically I will do this for if I'm trying to cleanse like a room or something like that. In this case, I'm just gonna cleanse the bowl. We're outside. If you're outside, you don't really have to worry about this too much. But I did want to share that with you all. That is the process that I typically go on before doing any sort of healing or any energy work. Okay, we're gonna get started. I hope you're ready. So if you could just find yourself just at a comfortable spot and just relax and enjoy the sounds and really just let your mind go. Stop resisting and just focus on just letting go. Letting go, breathe, and just listen to the sounds and just try to focus on that. The whole purpose of this is to just really allow the sound to go through your body. So, here we go. Feel that. Hopefully, can you hear it? Everyone hear the sound bowl okay? Just give me a quick little confirmation before we get started here. If someone could do that, please. Can you guys hear it? Okay, awesome. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. Okay, just relax. Relax your neck. Relax your tongue from the top of your mouth. Just breathe. Just breathe and just give your mind some peace. Just enjoy the sound of the bowl, birds in the background. Just relax, just breathe. Just let go of everything. Let go of all the beliefs that are not serving you. Of the pain you may be feeling at this moment. Of the fears that you have. Just let it go. Let them free. Let them just be free and just be in this moment with me right now. Just how we need to exercise our bodies, we also need to exercise our minds and giving them rest, allowing it to just be free of worry, free of fears, free of stress. enjoy to just rest. And every time we rest, we feel better, right? When we give our minds a rest and allow for replenishing, our minds feel better too. So allow this moment to be. Now I just want you to just accept love in your life, accept peace in your life, harmony, joy, happiness. Accept that you are enough. Accept that everything you need lives within you, in your heart. And accept this beautiful day today. Today gets to be different. If we wanted to. You can probably still hear the ball still vibrating. Take a deep, deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Just remember that today could be different. Today is a new day. Today is your day. So now that you've taken this opportunity to give your mind a break, you fed your soul, you fed your heart. Remember that this always is available for you. This peace lives within you. You can always access it. Feeling stress, if you have anxiety, you can get that out of our bodies if we just are willing to just be vulnerable with ourselves. We're willing to take care of our minds and just give it some rest. The more we become connected to ourselves, the more peace we find within ourselves. The more peace we find within ourselves, the more hope we find within ourselves. And when you have hope, you have courage. And when you have courage, anything is possible. So please go out there, enjoy your day. Thank you so much for joining me on this live today. Again, if you're new, welcome. Thank you. My name is Alex. It was a pleasure doing this for you today. This is just a little taste I will be doing it live every single day, Monday through Saturday, here on out, with different topics, sharing different techniques, different things that I do to keep my mental health at a high state. So thank you so much for your support. I am a life coach too, so if you ever want to work with me, go to my profile on the link. You can get in contact with me there, set up a discovery call. I'm going to be launching a workshop. It's called Discovering You, and that's really going to be encompassing, it's an hour of specific work strategies that I have and tactics that I have developed for you, just to really start to look into who you are. Maybe you're confused, maybe you're unsure of what you want to do in life, or maybe you're unsure of what your purpose is or what the meaning of life is. This will give you a really good direction for that. So I will be promoting that on my IG, on my Instagram. So I get really relaxed after these sample sessions. But yes, so if you are interested, definitely hit me up on Instagram, and you'll see all the details within the next coming weeks. I'll be announcing that workshop. I highly recommend it. It's going to be awesome, and if you refer somebody, you get a free 30-minute one-on-one with me. So all that detail is going to be coming down. But thank you so much again. I really appreciate it. I really want to send you today with all of my love, all of my peace, all of the highest vibrations, and I hope my messages are helping you, that are giving you hope, and that you just hang in there. And remember to be kind to yourself. Remember that you're amazing, that you're an incredible human being, and thank you for sharing your time with me today.